There are apps, textbooks, grammar books, all sorts of stuff for you to learn Persian. But a lot of them miss on something crucial: slang, expressions people use every day. Today, I'll be introducing you to some of these. These are little words that native speakers use daily, but textbooks usually never even care about them. So, if you want to understand spoken Persian better or impress your Persian speaking friends with some of these expressions, then welcome. Hi, my name is Hossein. I'm a native Persian speaker who has been helping other people learn Persian for nearly a decade. Now let's get to the video. The first word is khafan. Khafan, straight up, means awesome, great, amazing, wonderful. So if you see something really cool, yeah, cool is a better word, I guess. So if you see something really cool, you say, ah, che khafan. How cool is that? Or if you see a supercar, like, ah, che machine khafani. What an awesome car. Or when my friends see how good my students speak Persian, they say, oh, che khafan. So that's your word. Cool, awesome, sick, all of that. That's khafan. Zaye. The second word is zaye. Zaye is an unpleasant word. It's like awkward, embarrassing, lame. It's a mixture of those. For example, if you're trying to sneak out of a place, let's say you're trying to sneak out of a classroom and you get caught, everybody's looking at you, Zaye shodi, you got zaye. If my friend tells me that they said I love you on the first date, I would say خیلی زایه است. Or if somebody asks a professor a question and he has no idea how to answer, that's a little زایه. یکم زایه است. The next word is alaki. Alaki is like pointless, phony, yeah, fake, or unnecessary also. So if somebody is worrying, I'm like, nigga, don't nabash alaki. Like don't worry for no reason. Like it's not even worth being worried about. Or alaki asabani shod. He got angry for no reason. Alaki, just because, like without a reason. And I hope you never use this one, but you can say alaki geriye nakon. Sometimes parents tell this to their children, which is a little mean. So alaki geriye nakon, like don't cry for no reason. Like it's pointless. What are you doing? Alaki geriye mikone. Like nothing has even happened. Nothing grave has happened. Why are you being so phony, right? چرا الکی گریه میکنی? Why are you crying for no reason? The next word is cheese. Cheese means thing, but it's also used as a filler word. So if you can't remember something or you're talking, you're like, cheese, yeah, it's a filler word meaning thing. So it's like, this thing, just like that. You can say, cheese. Just say cheese mid sentence. So yeah, it's like, what is it called again? Like cheese. But it's funny because sometimes we even use it as an independent thing. Sometimes we even use it. We say cheese kardan. Cheese nakon. Don't do that thing. Yeah, but cheese nakon doesn't mean anything. But it's like you know what I'm talking about. چیز نکن. آره همه کارا رو اوکی کردم. اون کلاسا رو هم چیز کردم. آره دیگه تمام شد. So I just said cheese, but it doesn't mean anything there. It's like I handled it. The next one is snake venom. زهر مار. زهر مار. زهر مار. So it's a bit rude. And people use it when somebody is being too loud. Maybe someone yells at you intentionally. I don't know. They scream in your ear like "Zahra mar," like what the hell was that? Or shut up. It's basically shut up. Or when somebody is laughing at you, like "Zahra mar," it's like you're basically complaining about them laughing at you. But depending on your tone, it can also be a bit playful. Like if you're teasing someone on a date, it would be laughing and say it's Adamar, but they don't really mean to sort of attack you. It's just, oh, we've got a guest. So yeah, they're not attacking you. It's just playful at times. So learning these is going to help you feel Persian as a much more living language and less like a rigid, dry textbook. These are fun to use. These are fun to impress your friends with, or become friendly with the locals. These expressions are really going to help you. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe. And if you want to learn Persian with me personally or join our community, have our video courses, all sorts of goodies to help you learn Persian are below.